Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a GMC Sierra key fob. First, ensure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions during the process. Next, gather all key fobs you intend to program, including any existing ones, as they must all be programmed simultaneously. Finally, locate your vehicle's programming button, which is typically found under the dashboard or in the glove compartment. This button is crucial for initiating the programming sequence. To enter programming mode, first turn your ignition key to the on position, then quickly turn it off twice. Immediately after, press and hold the programming button you located earlier for about 15 seconds. You will hear a chime from your vehicle, confirming that it has successfully entered the programming mode. This sound is your signal to proceed with the next steps for each key fob. Now, with the vehicle in programming mode, take your first key fob. Simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the fob. Continue holding these buttons until you hear another chime from your vehicle. This second chime signifies that the key fob has been successfully paired. Repeat this exact process for every additional key fob you wish to program, ensuring each one receives its own confirmation chime. Once all your key fobs are programmed, turn the ignition key to the off position to exit the programming mode. It's essential to test each key fob immediately to ensure all functions, like locking and unlocking, work correctly. If any fob isn't working, you might need to repeat the entire process. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.